In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and menu links to Joomla 4. Let's dive in and break down this process so you can create and link pages with ease on your Joomla 4 website. First, we will focus on creating new pages by adding articles in Joomla. Start by navigating to the back end of your Joomla site, specifically to the content section. In the content section, click on articles. This is where you will manage all the pages or articles on your site. Once you're in the article section, go ahead and click on the new button. This action allows you to create a new article or page. Next, you'll need to enter a title for your new article. Think of this as the headline or the name for your page, so make it relevant and descriptive of the content you plan to include. After entering the title, it's time to move on to writing the content. This space is your canvas for text, images, or any media that should appear on the page. Once you've added your content, it's important to save the article. Saving it makes the article available for linking, ensuring that it can be accessed when you set up your menu item links. Now that your new page is created and saved, we can proceed to creating menu items that link to these articles. Navigate through the Joomla backend to the menu section. Here you can manage the navigation links that your visitors use to access different pages on your site. Once you're in the menu section, choose the specific menu where you'd like to add your new item. Common examples are the main menu or a top navigation menu. To add a new menu item, either click the plus sign next to the relevant menu or use the new option in the toolbar. This will take you to the menu item creation screen. For this new menu item, you will need to enter a title. This is the name that will display in your site's menu, so it should clearly indicate the page or article it links to. Next, move on to the menu item type field. Here you'll want to select single article from the drop down options, as we are linking to a specific article you've just created. After that, you'll notice an option labeled select article. Click on select and choose the relevant article you wish to link. This step connects your new menu item to the article you've created. Ensure the correct menu location is selected, for instance the main menu if that's where you want it to appear. Finally, click Save or Save and Close to finalize your new menu item. This step publishes your link for public view, integrating it into your existing navigation system. By following these steps, you can effectively expand your Joomla 4 site with new pages and menu links, enhancing the functionality and navigability for your site's visitors.